Hello guys, for my project I have made a Gomoku game. So what Gomoku is basically a game where you play on a Go board and with Go pieces, and instead of surrounding your enemy, you try to connect 5 dots of your own together in order to win. And this is the user interface, and over here you can choose your difficulty, whether you want the CPU to be easy or medium, and you can choose your color, so black will play first and white plays second. So over here I'll start with a demonstration. So I've chosen everything here and I start. So you can land your first piece anywhere you want. So okay, over here we have this is where the CPU has played. And well, anyway, you just try to connect 5 dots of your own together and try to prevent your opponent from having 5 linked together. So, well, I have made this game, but I am not a good player at this game. So over here we have a help button, and if we push that, right, the computer has given us a suggestion, which is over here, and then we can follow what the computer says, and we might actually have a chance of beating it, or I might. Okay, so anyway, the game will continue playing until one of the player has won the game. So over here the computer has won, and this is how it beat me. So now we're going to round 2, and then now we start as white piece because in the first round we played first as black. And it's the same thing, and we just keep on playing. So okay, now we have also medium, and we could choose to be black or white at first. So for example, this is medium, right? And in the medium setting, it will take it will take longer for the computer to think, since it's doing more thinking. Now, how the way the computer think is by running a Minimax algorithm, which is basically it's predicting what the player is going to do, and also what the computer could do. And basically, based on that, it will branch out into different situations, and also and then pick the best move that the computer could play in order to beat the player. So for the easy setting, it's doing 2 Minimax layers. That means it will look 2 steps ahead into the future. And for the medium setting, it will do 3 steps. That's why it's taking a longer time. So anyway, it will do medium, and then we could do just any color we like. And then I built this game using Pygame, and well, just Pygame for the user interface, and everything else I wrote myself. And this game is written in Python, and I have several classes here, as you see. We have a Minimax module, main, and score, search positions. Now all of those are used for the computer to think. And then here we have the Gomoku game module. That is basically just that is basically a module built for the game to run. And also we have the display function. We have those are for the user interface. And something interesting here I would like to show is that in the medium one, since we are since the computer is taking a longer time to think, here we can see the computer is showing that it's thinking. Now the way I did that is by doing threading. Since the computer needs to do 2 tasks at once, so the computer needs to think while displaying that it is thinking. So I have the threading going on so that it will show that the program is still running, it's not stuck or anything. Well, anyway, that's basically it about the game. Thank you, everyone.